Hi everyone, so I'm back to share with you a design team project for Tsunami Rose. This is using one of her prayer journal kits. She has many on her Etsy shop, and I will put a link below to all the prayer journals that she has, and you can go over and have a look. So I've used the blue one. They come in many colours, right? So I thought I've got quite a lot of the colours as well, but I thought I'll start with blue. Also, this is going to be listed for sale over on my website, and that's all the little bits that I didn't use, so I've put them into a little glassine bag. I'm not going to show you. It's going to be a little kind of surprise for, like, if you buy it, you'll get all the extras in there. Okay, so the journal measures 8 by 5. It has one signature, 56 pages front and back, and like I said, it will be listed in my shop if you're interested. I've used one of the pages for the cover, and I put that onto some cardstock. I think it was a 230 GSM. And then here, this is actually one of the journal pages, but I've shrunk it down, and I sewed it onto about 4 layers of coffee dyed paper. These are some of the embellishments, and I've put back them onto, I think it was a craft cardstock, because it's nice and thick, and popped them on there as well. As you can see, that's all been stitched, and so has around there. The little flowers are sweet. There is a fabric closure, which is like it's a big old sheet that I have, and I just tear big strips off of it. I need to oh, got myself in a knot here. There we go. I think it's because there's a straggly bit there. Okay, so whoops, a diddly all over the place. Right. So this is one of the pages from the kit, and here we've got a little pocket. There is a tag. There is like note cards. This is actually a page, and I've shrunk that down to make it a tag or journal card, and that goes in there like so. Again, another page from the kit. I love the shade of blue these flowers are. They're really pretty. Then here I've just made a little side double tuck, and this is actually not from any of Tsunami Rose's kits. This is actually some leftovers from one of my kits. This is from Tsunami Rose's kit postcard. And like I said, this actually comes in many colours. I think there's pink, blue, purple. Is there another colour? Like a neutrally type colour as well. That is coffee dyed paper, which has been tri-folded and corner punched in all 4 corners. That goes in there. Got another little like half page here. Little journal card. It says love more. Got a little tab on here. And here we've got a library card. It says positive vibes only. And then here, this is just a little quote, and you can write on there as well. So, you know, this really is like a writing journal. Lots of places to journal, even on the digital pages. As you can see, there is all the space to journal on. So it's not like, you know, some pages that you get, you just wouldn't journal, or, well, I wouldn't anyway. You just wouldn't write over them. You could even journal all down there. You can journal on the back. Coffee dyed papers. Here we've just got like a monthly calendar piece there. And again, it says good things take time, which is true. And library card and little quote card there. And again, you can write on the pocket. It says notes, and it's got like number, date, and all the lines to write on. You could write all down there. Again, here's a little double tuck. This is from one of my kits, and this is I think that is the only thing that I've used that wasn't from the kit or the kits, was this from like what I had left over from my stuff. Journal card there, which goes in there. Another journal card and a postcard, and another one of these. That just all pops in there. little half page there. That is actually like a full page, but I've just shrunk them down. Little journal card. Again, somewhere to write. Tags and journal cards. Another monthly calendar there. You could actually glue that in, or you could kind of washi tape it in so that it's a flip. I didn't think of that. Center of the signature, it's just tied in a bow. Another one of these. Again, writing space. Another tag, another journal card there, and that says forgiveness. Little note there. Little pocket. And little double tuck here, and another one of these. Yeah, so I literally only got that today, and I just wanted to have a play with the kit. And I think the next one I'll do will be a pink one, and library card and journal card there. And look, lovely pretty page, lots of journal space. Another one of these, that's just paper clipped in. Anything is possible. Journal space there, tag there, you could journal on there, that's just paper clipped in. A to-do list, little notes pockets there. And that goes there. Little pocket here. I really do like the prettiness of that blue. Another little quote here, a postcard. Oops, another one of these, and that goes in there. Here we've got a journal card, which is actually a page shrunk right down. Little note card there, and it says good things take time, and that is true. Oh, my hands ain't working. Today is your day. So it's, you know, this is a kind of forward stroke. Where did that come from? It's a prayer, forward stroke, faith, positivity type journal. So there we go. That is the journal. That was fun to make. Didn't take me that long. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Like I said, we'll put a link to Daisy's prayer journal kits in her shop. And again, I'm not going to show you them, but that was just the leftovers, which I will just tuck inside there so it doesn't get lost. And that comes with the journal as well. Okay, so everything will be linked below. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.